How to display a timestamp for when an event occurs. Today we're going to be using the Direct Mail app to export a CSV file containing all of our contacts along with specific information as to when the contact performed a specific event. The event we'll be reporting on is when the contact visited the microsite. On our canvas, we'll see a target audience, a direct mail element, and inbound microsite. To get started, we'll double-click on the direct mail element. This will take us to the Settings tab. Here we can configure who this file will be emailed to and all of the columns of information that this file will contain. Now let's click on the Add button. On the right-hand side, give this column the name Site Visit. In the text area labeled Field Content, remove the text column content and then click on the Variables button at the bottom of the window. Next, inside of the right-hand System Variables column, click on the selection labeled Event. The first thing we need to do here is select a date range for which the event may have been performed. We'll go from today all the way to 2020. Underneath the To Date field, we'll see two options. We'll be selecting and using the option Date Variable. This will tell us a specific date and time that this event had occurred. You will now see two more radio button options, Oldest and Most Recent. This will determine whether we display the timestamp for the first time or the last time this event was performed. We'll be selecting Most Recent. In the next tab over, Program/Campaign Selection, I'm going to identify the program and campaign that the microsite exists in. Since this event exists on a microsite, we'll deselect the option labeled Within Outbound Media, and then I'll select Microsite under Inbound Media, and we'll leave the media detail set to any page. This is stating that we are looking for an event that happened on any page of the microsite. Under Option, on the next tab, we'll select Contact Visited Microsite, and then click Copy to Clipboard. Now paste the copied variable into the Field Content section. The last thing we need to do is set a schedule. This will allow us to determine when the CSV file gets emailed to us, and then we'll publish our changes. Remember, this variable can also be used on an email lead or on a microsite page. Now, when we check our inbox, we should get an email containing a link to the downloadable CSV file that contains all of our requested information. I hope this helps. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to email support@mindfireinc.com.